of piston into cylinder. Install protectors to the connecting rod bolts. Fit a piston ring compressor on the piston. Install the piston assembly into the cylinder, paying attention not to damage the cylinder wall and the connecting rod. Make sure that the piston is oriented to a proper direction. For this model, the arrow should face against the timing belt side. Lightly tap the ring compressor to fit to the cylinder head top surface. There should not be any gap between the compressor and cylinder head. Push the piston into the cylinder by lightly tapping the head of the piston with the wooden handle of a hammer or equivalent soft tool, while maintaining downward force on the ring compressor against the cylinder block. Be careful not to damage the components with the big end. Remove the compressor when the top ring is completely slid into the cylinder. Install the bearings, and then inspect the oil clearance of the big end. If the oil clearance value is acceptable, then clean the components and assemble the big end.